The new age terminology for this is nature maxing, but it is something I have been telling my clients to do for decades. Now, what is it? When we are stressed, not as a single incident stress, but stress in our lives, when we don't know how to manage our stress, one technique that really helps is spending time with nature, growing your own plants, putting your hands into that mud, that dirt, and feeling it in your fingers. That really helps in managing stress. It helps the mind slow down, and that is what we need. So please, nature max.